Welcome to Sara's Opening Bell. It's January 31st, 2025. And if you're ready to dive into the exciting world of stock market news, but find it a bit overwhelming, you are in the right place. Because each week I'll break down the latest market trends, key headlines, and essential tips in a way that's super simple and easy to grasp. So whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out in the stock market game, I'm here to help you make sense of all of it. So today we're diving into a topic that connects your world with the stock market, technology giants, and even the Lunar New Year. So this week, some of the biggest tech companies released their quarterly earnings reports. Facebook parent Meta Platforms, META on NASDAQ, shared its fourth quarter results after Wednesday's close. So for the 3 months ending December 31st, Meta reported earnings of $8.02 per share, a 50% increase year over year on revenue of $48.4 billion. So this exceeded the expectations of analysts who expected the social media giant to report earnings of only $6.73 per share on revenue of $47 billion. Now, some analysts believe that Meta has set itself apart among tech giants by turning artificial intelligence investments into quick wins. But they're not the only company from the Magnificent Seven, which is the nickname for the 7 most influential tech companies, that has our attention this week. Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla also released their earnings reports to the public. And Alphabet and Amazon are not too far behind because they're scheduled to release theirs next week on February 4th and 6th. But something that seems to be impacting all of the Magnificent Seven is their less expensive competition from China. Tesla, for example, whose reported earnings and revenue for the fourth quarter did not meet analyst estimates, have seen their profits impacted by competition from less expensive Chinese competitors like BYD, a technology company that has established itself as an industry leader in electronics, automotives, renewable energy, and rail transit. Apple, meanwhile, has been dealing with a reduction in iPhone sales in China, which is the world's largest smartphone market. It has been forced to cut price tags in order to compete with their premium competitors. So it will come as no surprise if iPhone sales, particularly in China, are a key focus of attention in Apple's earnings call. But what exactly are earnings statements, and why do they matter? So earnings statements are official statements that give details of a company's profit or loss. It's a key measure of a company's health and can be a factor for investors deciding if it's a smart investment. Financial statements are useful for a company because they can show which parts of the business are thriving and which are struggling, whether overall profits are shrinking or growing, and by how much, and whether the company has enough cash to keep running smoothly. My Napkin Finance shared a great suggestion that a quarterly earnings statement is like the business equivalent to asking a company, "How you doing?" Now, you want to know who's reporting earnings next? Check out the Yahoo Finance earnings calendar. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention that this week also marks a global celebration, Lunar New Year. So welcome to the Year of the Snake. Unlike the boldness of last year's Year of the Dragon, this year is all about caution and self-reflection. Fun fact, the stock market has a history of mixed returns in past snake years. So we're wondering, will 2025 be cautious, bold, or something in between? But that's what we're here to find out. And here's the exciting part. You get to be the analyst. In the stock market game, you'll decide whether predictions for cautious investing this year are accurate. So what's your take? Start analyzing, stay curious, and don't forget to celebrate the Year of the Snake. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more market insights. So let's make this a great year for learning and investing because markets are now open.